Hi, I'm JB from Apex Construction Management. One of the more difficult things in a remodeling project, especially some of the bigger ones, is how much does the thing cost? The first step in pricing any project is to take a look at what we've done in the past. And once we've done that, then we have some ideas of what your project could cost you. And the next step for us is to really share that number with you so that you can decide whether or not that's within your budget. And if it is within your budget, then we'll go ahead and we'll put your project into the most advanced estimating tool in the country right now. And then we use that tool to generate an estimate for you. And it's usually pretty accurate. But in order to make it more accurate, we then have what we call a trade partner preview session, where we have our trade partners come in and take a look at the project with us so they can see the work firsthand. After the trade partner preview session, then we get data from them and we firm up our cost. We confirm our cost, if you will. And then we get to generation 2 of our estimate. Generation 2 is usually a lot more accurate than generation 1. And then after that, we'll talk through some of the options, some more things you want to do, maybe do less things. We'll come up with generation 3 or maybe even 4 before we start your project. So before we start your project, we've done a lot of work on costing. So when you're looking at contractors to do your project, you have to realize we're all buying lumber and sheetrock and everything from the same suppliers. So at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter who builds your project. It should cost somewhere around X. It may cost X plus a little bit if the contractor has real high overhead, or it may cost X minus a little bit if they have lower overhead. But my warning and caution to everybody is if a project costs X minus a lot, I would stay away from that, because those lowest bidders will come in and start your work and then end up figuring out a way to raise the price through change orders as your project is going on. And the courts are full of those projects and you don't want to go there.